Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to transfer Google Photos to another account in mobile. To transfer Google Photos to another account from your phone, you could use partner sharing by tapping the share tabs. So for that, you want to open the Google Photos app on your device and tap the share tab at the bottom of the screen. So you could go ahead and click on the share button, or you could just go ahead and select the collections of album. Let's see, this is the one. Tap on the three dot icon and then click on select. So basically what you could do is select the photo and then click on the share button. Here it is, tap the share button, and as you click on the share button, you could go ahead and select share with partner. So there you could find these share with partner, or you could just click on create link, and once you've created the link, you could then share it to a person that you want to send the photo to, or just share the link and they will be able to access the Google Photos to another account in the mobile as well. And likewise, you could also send an invitation to other Google account as well, and you could open the Photos app on the receiving account and accept the invitation and tap the add to library button to automatically save all the shared photos to a new account. So this is how you could transfer Google Photos to another account in mobile. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.